Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the types of statements in C. So what is a statement? First of all, statement is a line of code in a C program or any programming language that has some meaning to the computer. Okay, so here we have some group of statements which has some specific meaning to the computer, and we will see one by one in brief. So what is expression statement is? Expression statements is nothing but the statement consisting of some formulas like, okay. And what is selection statement is? Whenever you want to make some decision making, we are using the selection statement. And what is iterative statement means? Sometimes you want to do a job repeatedly for 10 times or 100 times or 1000 times, that time we are using the iterative statements. And what is the jump statement is? The statement that helps to make the control of the flow to jump to the other part of the program, that is called as a jump statement. We will see one by one with the example. Here the first is the expression statement. The expression statement is a combination of variable, constants, operators, function calls followed by a semicolon. We know that every statement ends with a semicolon. And expressions can be maybe of arithmetic expression, as we have seen in the previous classes. It may be relational expression or logical operation. So if your examples are here, this is one formula like an arithmetic expression, this is an formula like an relational expression, this is an conditional operator, this is also an expression, this is again an arithmetical expression, and this is a null statement. What is null statement? Is simply a statement with a semicolon. So these are all few examples of how the expression statements look like. Okay, so next is the selection statement. The selection statement helps to make some decision. For example, if I say if the mark is greater than 40, print as pass. If the marks is greater than 80, give us outstanding grade. If the marks is 100, give the super grade. So likewise, we can make some decision upon, that is called as an decision making. So if else means if age is less than 18, not eligible to vote. If it is greater than 18, you can eligible to vote else. So if is the positive case, else is the negative case. Likewise, switch statement. Switch statement is when we have more than a few conditions to satisfy. For example, I wanted to print multiple values, like if the value given is 1, it is Monday, 2, it is Tuesday, 3, it is Wednesday, 4, it is Thursday, 5, Friday. So many cases there. For such cases, we are using the switch statement. Okay, and then next is the statement group called as an iterative statement. What is iterative statement is? Whenever we want to repeat a few statements many number of times, maybe 10 times or 100 times or 1000 times, that part is called as an loops. So loop is an iterative statement where we can repeat the statement for many number of times. That is the purpose of this loop statements. Okay, so they also execute based on some condition. So there are few example of this loop statement: for loop, while loop, and do loop. So for loop and while loop are called as an entry controlled statement where the condition is checked in the entry level. That means before entering the loop itself, the condition is checked. But in the case of do while loop, the process is done once and then the condition is checked. That is called as an exit controlled loop. So these are all the three types of loops available in programming language C. So then next is the jump statement. The jump statement is called as an unconditional statement. What is unconditional statement is? There is no condition to be satisfied. No need to check whether it is true or false, if it is working or not. Simply to make the flow in the other direction. That is called as an unconditional statement. So the jump statements are used to transfer the control of the program without any condition specified. So a few examples are go to. So go to some label name. So go to 10 means the program will go to the line number 10. Continue means if it is in the loop, it will continue. Break means if it is in the loop, it will break out of the loop. Return means it will return to the function to the main program. Likewise, without any condition, when these statements is reached, the jump will be transferred to some other part of the program. This is called as an jump statement. So likewise, these are all the group of statements in C that helps to write our program in a convenient way which is suitable for our applications. Hope you understood the simple concepts of the statements in C, and thanks for watching.